Hello people, this is my first attempt to, I'm being a little bit scared here, my first attempt trying to fix up an Xbox right now, so here we go. I've cleaned out most of this, so depends if it works afterwards. I've just been searching on videos. I just gotta turn and switch it to the next tray. Yeah, but this is what I've been doing, really. To tell you the truth. Let's get a little look. I know I'm doing the wrong. I don't have a blow, and it's really early in the morning. And I do not want to wake up my mom. Shit. And now look, it's looking a little bit better. Now that's good enough. I don't want to get too much into it. Trying to get all the dust around here. Okay, I better reconnect this fan. There we go, the fan's reconnected. Well, this is moderated technology here. That cord right here goes into this port. Wait. Give it a little. Nah, that can stay there. Doesn't need to move. I can really do anything. Maybe I should start a console cleaning job. There's a guy I know I can ask if I can work with him, but I doubt it. Apparently there's a note. Don't know what that means. If you guys know what that says right there, can you please write it in the description? I do not know. Sorry, I do not know handwriting. Do not know what that means, but if you know, please send me a message. Okay, let's try hooking this stuff back up. Okay, what we need to do, or no, maybe we have to clean this up first. Get this stuff cleaned. See this? Let's have to get this cleaned. Oh shit. All I'm doing here is there's a wire. Not really much. And the back is really dirty. This thing is really dusty. And mine's the see-through limited edition Xbox. I had this for a few years. This started flashing yellow and black. That means it needs to be cleaned. If your Xbox is flashing yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, that means it needs to be cleaned. Okay. See, there's the buttons that turn it on, open the tray. Okay, I think I got that all under control. See, this goes here, but just give me a moment here. I hope that stays there. This goes here. Make sure everything's plugged in. Oh, grab this cord. Now what you gotta do here is plug everything back into place, like right here. You have to plug this in right here. Make sure it's plugged in tight. There we go. Now we take this. No, that doesn't go there. Okay. Plug this back into place. There we go. There's the first spot. Now we have the tight wire. What we do here, I will make another video, continue on this. Okay, let me see here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, guys. And plus, one thing, it is the wrong way. So first of all, you need to figure out which is the right way and which isn't the right way, and what thing you need to do. I'll fix it up. Give me